Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're doing another really quick video. You should definitely go to this website at mangacouncil.blogspot.com. I love this site, so much good save game files are on this site. Tales of Arise just was uploaded, which gives you 100% of everything, completion of all main story quests, and everything downloaded on the game. Everything is going to be out and you'll have it free. I'll leave this link in the description down below. Now, I'll show you guys real quick how to set it up. I have it here in the video, so you'll simply extract the files. Once you have them, you'll simply copy over the saved files here, and you'll go to wherever you have your Tales of Arise folder, which would normally be in the C drive. Sorry about that. App data, local, Bandai Namco, Tales of Arise, save, and you save on. If you've used my previous videos where with the saves, you do the latest one, and you simply paste them in here as well. Once you do that, we just put on the game real fast. I do have the music down to 0. That's probably why you can't hear anything. Yeah, so we just put on the game now. And launch. I really wish that launched better. Like I said, and launch. And here we are. As you can see, level 100 for everyone in the game. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more.